I'm Steph. I'm equipment operator here for Kinsley Construction. I've been here 5 years. I figured I'd wanted to be a police officer. The easiest way to do that was to go to the military and put that on my resume. So I enlisted in the Air National Guard, and then I got assigned to the 201st Red Horse in Fort Annantown Gap. My job there is actually equipment operating, pavement and constructions. My knowledge and skills here helps me teach those at the Gap. Yeah, see if that works. There it goes. First thing I usually do is come down, start the machine, get it fired up and warmed up to start my day. Everything looks good. Depending where we're at in the job site, I either get picked up or I just walk to wherever we're working. I go to my machine, which is the 160 case. If I need to backfill things right away, I start doing that. If I don't, I get everything prepped for either the next stick of pipe or whatever we're doing at that time. I just like the people I work with, and it's always something different every day. You can have fun. Yeah, we have our days where it's work hard and everyone's grumpy or something like that, but my particular group, just like my little crew here, I'm with these guys 80% of my life, like more than when I'm with my regular family. The feeling of togetherness and working together and knowing that they have my back in any situation, you can stand. Do we help drag them? Okay. When a plan doesn't go as we want it to be, it kind of is what it is. Getting into some big rocks here. I'll just try to manipulate the blade a little bit. If there's other things that we could do to take up the time while he's digging or something like that, then we could do that. If the other crew needed help, they were short on guys or something like that, we'd probably like fall off and help them. So what keeps me coming back is I like when people underestimate me. Hate throwing the woman card out there, but as a woman, whenever I come out here and it's a bunch of grown men and prove to them that I can do it, it's kind of like a boost of self-confidence. Not a lot of people can come out and do the stuff that we're doing every day. They look at me like, I guess, a little sister though too. They don't look at me as somebody that shouldn't be out here or isn't capable of being out here, which is great too. People see that when they first look at me, and then they see what I can do, and then their whole perspective changes. So I was nervous my first job. I barely knew anything really when I first started. They will take care of you and they'll teach you what you should know along the way. And then as you even watch, and not even be told, but as you're like watching people work, you can learn from them too. So even if you're feeling anxious, take that step out. You just gotta do it and see where it takes you and how it plays out.